experience then about what we just did just now?
Yeah, so using the sword as a reference for the hand makes a huge difference in mindset and what becomes available. I was too caught up with using my hands that I wasn't seeing openings. Yeah, once you put the sword into it, it's completely different because you're thinking about the sword and how the sword will move instead of how your hands will move.
Beautiful. Now I got to give props to Gorjo Singh. I had a phone call with him about a year or two ago, and he said, well, the key for me for hands is weapons.
Yeah.
So then use the weapons and take the weapon out of your hand. Sweet right here. So, a couple things. Real quick. Long. You feel it?
Yeah.
Short. Short. Long. Long. Short. Short. Okay. Make sense? Root with the hammer. Now if I go exactly the same pattern as the hammer, if I go back and lift, that's what I'm doing with the hammer. Now I'll combine them together. Go forward.
Yeah.
And short. So I don't have to do much.
Okay.
Long. Long. Short. Short. Thoughts? Observation?
It's the same structure, but it's that intent makes a difference, and the fact that you're actually doing some Gong Li, the exercise, it strengthens the whole unit. So instead of just strengthening your arms, you're moving everything as a unit, and that interprets when you're doing the.
Alright, so go back to what you're just doing so you don't lose it. Forward. Where it grows, take the same thing, go loose, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Go loose. You know what I'm saying? So once you have your entry now,
Yeah.
now how you want to land that entry? Like long drop it, whatever, you know what I mean? Boom, right there off the elbow. Short power from here. Yep. Long power, let it grow. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yep.
So now use the same. Now see how you went back to the hardener? Switch it up. Go to the sword again. Yeah. Then when you want to, right there. No, just drop that hand like a hammer. Drop it on it. But then if it's unfolding, it's fast. Yeah. You already got the opening. You got the elbow collapsing the body down as you're dropping it down, and then dropping on my. So it's taking my balance as well as compounding on the direction that my body's going.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
That makes sense?
Yeah, sometimes I got to talk about it.
Very good, man. Dope, right?
Good stuff, yeah.
Good. Yeah. No, except for the eye. Except for the eye.
I could be a pirate.